I think this is the most interesting thing here, but I don't want to pay 20 for it. What should I offer her?
I don't know.
What would you offer, Zoe?
I don't know.
Would you take 10 for your toothbrush? Hey, this must be just like a whole neighborhood sale, because we keep running into more. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Here we go. Thank you.
Good morning. How are you? So this is a whole neighborhood sale?
No, there's a few
Yeah, I
others.
keep running in. I thought it was like just one, and then I was like, oh, another one. Oh, another one.
Yeah.
There's,
Put the word out.
Yeah.
There's 2 more.
Okay.
Follow down just-
Yeah, and that's the direction I came from, so.
Tickle me.
This is a cool bike. Look at this. Anna would like that. She likes little bikes like that. You said you found Tickle Me Elmo?
No,
Oh, he's not the Tickle Me version. Oh, he's something.
he's an Elmo. I mean, he
It does.
tickles.
Aw, he's cute.
I'm a cowboy. I'm gonna be a cowboy when I. Go on. Is this from like the backyard place?
This is cool.
Is this from the backyard place?
I don't know.
I'm gonna watch. I watched all the backyardigans, but I don't really remember any of it.
I'm trying to remember what this is from.
The best place for this. Let me
Oh,
move it.
you're fine.
Yeah, but would you be?
Yeah.
Check it out.
I think we're good here. Is that the horse from Frozen?
Yes.
And then it was, okay. Oh, it lights up. Okay. How much is that?
Just $2.
Ooh, it's aggressive. All right, I'll go for it. Why not? Here's $2.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, you guys can take the car. I'm taking my horse home.
So you can drive. Just be careful.
What are those hoses? Jumbo pack. Whew. I needed some hills this morning. Wake me up.
Fun for sledding,
I bet.
not for mowing.
We don't get enough snow though.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, mowing would be a challenge. Do you have a ride on or you push it?
Oh, I'm sorry. It's a push.
It's not a big deal. These are nice. How much are your measuring spoons and cups?
Like 50 cents, yeah, a quarter.
Okay. That's for the bag? Yeah. Take that. Let me see if I can find some more stuff though. Lincoln Logs? Oh, this hill. A lot of harvesty stuff. Look at these. It might be worth buying. What do you think? $19.99. Home goods, meh. Will it ride? How much are your figures?
$2 each.
2 you said? Maybe buy a couple. That's cracked. just like this one. Hey, you're not allowed to have fun with that. No,
Only building.
no fun. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get these two.
$2.25. I'll hold it.
Okay, thank you.
I think we have change.
Okay, yeah, I got $3. Cool. You got any video games for sale?
No, sorry.
It's alright, I had to ask. Are you selling the stuff in the garage or that's not?
No, yeah.
Okay.
I have to live here.
You have to what?
Live here.
Gotcha.
What did I say, 225?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You got some Lincoln Logs?
Yep. I'm gonna have to build something.
Yeah, I think so. Ooh, this guy's cool. A lot of breakable stuff that I will break. Here you go, Elijah. Peculiar Children.
I want to see something cool. Isn't that a movie?
I think it is. Miss Peregrine's whatever, whatever.
We could buy these.
Huh? Zoe?
Oh, there you go.
DVD player.
And pizza.
What is this? DVD. How much is your DVD player?
$3.
$3. Did I call that or did I call that?
Sophie said.
Her mom wants a DVD player.
I'll give you $1.
Exactly.
I don't know what it is, which means that I should not.
Yeah, feel free to throw them out on the ground so you can
Oh, yeah?
all of them. Here, I'll put a.
I'll put them like
You
that.
don't even have to be that neat. We'll just put this right behind it.
I don't want to throw them.
Well,
How much are the
stuffed
plush?
animals, $1 each. Bless you. Yeah, go through it for everybody. Lay them out.
Yeah, exactly. This one's cool.
I know. And these are like the
Cool.
Build-A-Bear, so they might squeeze still into say like,
Yeah,
I
like
love you, Molly. I love you, Joy.
that's
Oh,
cute.
This was Molly's favorite.
Bringing back the memories.
This is hard. Like something I have no problem getting rid of. That lady just bought my Legos and I wanted to cry.
Aw.
But I
Yeah.
can't hold it. So you guys walked here. Do you live close by?
No, we just parked way down
okay.
there. We were looking at her sale and figured we'd
Yeah.
walk up here. You got any video games for sale?
I do not. Chris, we don't have any video games. But you know what I do have that I think video people need?
What?
Ether cables.
Ethernet cables?
Yes. Chris is like, Tracy, you can get them anywhere. I just remember when my son needed it, it was like so hard to find.
Dixie Chicks. Alright, so we got some CDs here.
Come on.
Springsteen, Tom Petty. There's some good CDs. Yeah, these are all good. How much for your bin of CDs?
No, for some reason they're banning. Those are all outdoor Christmas lights.
How much for your thing of CDs?
The whole thing?
Yeah,
15.
15.
Oh, that's what mine was from my classroom.
Would you do 10 on them?
I will.
And what'd you say this was?
$1.
It's 11.
I know my daughter had
These are
clocks
cool.
hanging all over her room.
Yeah,
So I don't know if they work. We
Yeah.
just bought them all like little
They're neat.
antique shops.
yeah. 11 bucks.
All right.
You guys got any records?
No records.
No records?
Yeah, well, I had some, but my brother's taking the records.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my father had them. Yeah, how you doing? Little bit here and there. It was mostly just trying to get everything downstairs. I didn't recognize you.
Book of Wine. That's kind of cool. Third dictionary.
Thank you.
How much are your books?
I was gonna do a $2 on the hardbacks and
Okay.
$1
On the soft covers, yeah. Okay.
Oh yeah, and I put
I had my car wondering what this is.
I got 2 things of silverware. And I put
Oh, nice.
these.
I'll take a look.
I tied what it is
Oh, okay.
in
Nice.
there. I figured that
That's
would
like
make
all
the
sets, yeah.
that would make the easiest.
Yeah. Cambridge. A lot of pots and pans. Where? Why? Oh, what did she do with them? Oh, that's right, yeah. Was it like a cast iron pan?
Oh, cast iron.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. My mother was a big cook, but it's funny. She didn't have any cast iron.
No? Interesting. The Omega Zone. This one looks interesting. Kind of a huge book.
Book in a book. I mean, a book in a
A book in a case. Holiday projector. We could use that for. Oh, look, that for your mom. A better crock pot.
So some of them, so like, which is really funny because my mother she was an excellent cook.
Mm-hmm.
Never in my life did I ever see her use a crock. So this was never used.
Really?
Got a fish tank?
I do actually.
with the.
It's very green right now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at this toothbrush. $20. A little high. Is it brand new? What is this? Oh, hummingbirds? This is for a fish tank, right?
This is hummingbirds?
It's like a hummingbird feeder. They stick a little beak in there.
Oh,
Trying to figure out if this is brand new. Be Triumph.
Apparently, if you buy
I
the
wanna
cup,
pay
you get the
20
green
for it.
stuff too.
Mm-hmm. Any good CDs though?
I don't know. I didn't have the patience to.
Neil Diamond, Songs of the Civil War.
Back in
Beethoven. This is totally your speed. Nora Jones, Elvis. Oh, what is this one? Andrea Rieu. Rieu. I don't like any of those. I'm glad we came early. Let me look at this cup thing. Elijah, any Starbucks stuff?
No, well, I
You
don't
look-
know. I didn't look all the way through because I almost broke all the cups.
Did you?
Yeah.
These are cool, but I don't know if we need them. We have too many mugs. Elijah, they got a hamster wheel. Bunch of pants. I don't know what, is this just a tube? Complete ready-to-use system. Cleans, it's like a vacuum.
Oh, you didn't really use that well.
Yeah. I don't know. I think this is the most interesting thing here, but I don't want to pay 20 for it. What should I offer her?
I don't know.
But what would you offer, Zoe?
I don't know.
Would you take 10 for your toothbrush?
I'll do 15.
Has it been
new.
used? It is brand new?
Brand, you can
Okay.
open up the box. Yeah, that was another thing that she liked to buy things to have like as a replacement.
Okay.
You're more than welcome to look in the open up the box.
No, I take your word for it. I'll go 15. Why not? I'm also gonna get this book.
And I think is that 2 books in one?
I don't know. Thought it was one.
Is there 2?
I think it's just a holder
Oh,
for
just
a
a
book.
holder. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, no, perfect. Okay. That
So
is
17.
that's a good deal.
I would take that if you throw it in for 3. The vacuum, 20 bucks up. Okay. Thank you.
There you go. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck, guys.
Don't you need to get a hamster? You guys would need a hamster.
We were talking about that.
right here.
All you need to get your hamster going.
Take a mouse from
Hey everyone, how's it going? Thank you for watching that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're still with me, I appreciate you making it to the end. Really quickly, I wanted to talk about what I got there. I think the big scores was the toothbrush and the fish tank cleaner. I paid something like $15 for the toothbrush and $5 for the fish tank cleaner. The fish tank cleaner sold for $50, toothbrush sold for $60. So $110 from those 2 items. That wine book is worth about $10 as well. So that sale I did really well at. And I also did well at the other sales too. I have not gone through the CDs yet. I need to. I think they were an okay buy. I bought that Redskins Beanie Boo. That one sold really quick for I think $8-9. I did miss a pillow pet though. I was watching the footage back and I saw this Redskins pillow pet. That thing sells for like $25. That was a pretty big flub. I went to one sale with a bunch of collectibles, and I just don't know enough about that kind of collectibles, like the Hallmark style collectibles, to go big. I did buy one and I did sell it very quickly. It's like the American flag on the cow. And I think I sold that for something like $14, $12. I can't remember. That was a couple days ago and I've already forgotten. But I only sold it for like 14 bucks. I paid $1 or $2. I got some Tupperware branded measuring cups just because I have a problem and I always buy those for myself. They're already in the house. I don't know. Like measuring spoons, measuring cups. I have this weird thing where I just buy them. Even, I don't know. I guess I like collecting them. I guess it's a weird thing I collect. I don't know. But yeah, that was pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Check out NC Flipper, my other YouTube channel, if you want to see me shipping everything that's sold and find out about, what I'm actually making profit and all that sort of stuff. All right, see you next time, guys. Bye.